Hello student, today we do exercise 6.1 of chapter 6, the triangle and its properties. Sum number 1, in triangle PQR, D is the midpoint of QR, then PM, symbol of 90, is altitude. PD, D is the midpoint, that's why QD is equals to DR. PD is median. Is QM equals to MR? No. Sum number 2. Draw rough sketches for the following. In triangle ABC, BE is a median. Sum number 2, part A. Let we make a triangle name of the triangle is A, B, C. We have to draw BE median. B is somewhere comes on AC and E is the midpoint of AC. उसके लिए आप क्या करेंगे? First, we will find midpoint of AC. कंपास को आपने ओपन किया, more than half, arc, then from the point A, join E is the midpoint. Now join B to E. BE is the median. Part B. In triangle PQR, PQ and PR are altitude of the triangle. PQ is side of triangle PQR. PR is also side of triangle PQR. Common vertex, that is P. We will make here a right angle triangle, right angled at P. Dear student, you can draw triangle of any measure. Symbol of 90. PQ, RP. Both are altitudes. Now the next is part C. In triangle XYZ, YZ, YL is an altitude in the exterior of triangle. Exterior of triangle means to say we have to draw obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle in which one angle is of greater than 90 but less than 180. Part C. First, we will make a triangle. Name of the triangle is XYZ. From Y, we have to draw an altitude YL. It is obtuse single triangle. Now, we will extend the side ZX. Compass, mark two arcs like this. From these two same arcs, we again intersecting arcs. Now join Y2 L. This point is L. Hence, YL is perpendicular on line segment XZ on producing ZX. Now the next is question number 3. In question number 3, we have to find or draw a diagram if the median and altitude of an isosceles triangle can be same. Yes. Now we will draw it. First, we will make an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle in which two sides are equal. बेस आप कितना भी लें, AB upon the compass from the same radius we will draw another arc from point A point C. Now join the point C to A C to B. Isosceles triangle in which AC equals to BC. Now we draw first its median. मीडियन आपने सी पॉइंट से ए बी पर ड्रॉ करना है, तो उसके लिए हमें सबसे पहले क्या चाहिए, मिड पॉइंट चाहिए ए बी का. मिड पॉइंट के लिए मोर देन हाफ. कंपास ओपन किया, एक आर्क बी से लगाया आपने और एक आर्क आपने ए से लगाया. दैट इज पॉइंट इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट. midpoint of AB, that is D. Now join C to D for median. See, it's the same. CD is a median. Similarly, now we will make an altitude. Altitude also we will draw from point C to AB. क्या करेंगे हम इसके लिए? C से कंपास ओपन किया और आपने 2 आर्क मार्क करना है AB पर. From the same points we will draw another 2 intersecting arcs. Let it be point L. Now join C to L, which is the perpendicular, or we can say altitude, from point C to AB. See, it's also same. CD is altitude, hence median and altitude of an isosceles triangle is same. Thank you.